Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
How do you charge your phone without electricity? Well, this solar charger power bank by Boogo store may just be your perfect solution. I was really impressed by specifically two things about this solar power charger. One, it has a hand crank. To me, I always thought, well, what if I'm not outside and I need, some emergency power? Or what if the sun's not out? So I love that it has the hand crank. And the second is I love that the charging cables come with it. So if me and my husband, we have different phones, we don't have to worry about having the correct cable for each phone. This has a micro, a USB-C, and an iOS charger. And I love that it is just easily stored and easily kept with the solar charger. I was really impressed with the brightness of this light as well. So this could definitely be used as an emergency light if you're out camping or if you need to be saved. I really was happy that this was an option as well. It's just a really quality product. I am so happy that I have this for emergencies or for camping.
And that's my point of view.